Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got one from Zenpop of Japan. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. 7 different varieties, generally none of which I have sampled in the past, and this is their November 2022 box. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. First off, from Marshawn, we've got Ramen Yokozuna Tonkatsu Shoyu. Yeah, this looks like a really nice one. Nice bowl. Looks to be on the premium side. Definitely worth a try. Next up from Myojo, we've got their Karaje Shoyu ramen. And this kind of looks like a standard shoyu that they push. I think I may have had this one. It's just a regular shoyu bowl. Next up from Ace Cook, we have this, looks like a savory toritaki ramen. It's an udon, and it's an odd cup. I really don't know much about this. It'll be an interesting try. So this is interesting. You might recognize that logo. It's the Myojo Ippichan logo with the word big on it, and this is a Karaje Shoyu. I don't know. It looks like it's got little bits of maybe chicken in it. I guess we'll find out. And another Myojo variety here. This is a Charumera Cup miso. Charumera is the horn that people that pushed a cart that sold ramen, like street vendors, they would have this horn called a Charumera, and they would blow it, and then everybody would be like, kind of like the song from the Ice Cream Man. Anyway, it's a little miso cup. It's got a sachet on top too. And it looks as though I haven't had this one. This isn't just your regular Nissan Cup Noodles curry. It says it's a Cup Noodles Asari Oishi curry. It says something about it being a light variety. So, and there being more noodles in it. I don't know. We'll find out. And we got some harasami. This is from Ace Cook. This is a chanpon, and it's 1/3, I'm guessing, calories. They do that. They like to put fractions on things. And chanpon is a seafood stew kind of action, and it's usually creamy and rich, so this could be really good. I'm hoping it is. And last but not least, we have this, they're calling it a bonus gift, and this isn't something they usually do. This is called Konpeito snack, and I have no idea what it is. It says it's a type of Japanese sugar candy. It takes the form of a small square with a bumpy surface and comes in a variety of colors and flavors. So, I don't know. Let's just crack it open and give it a try. I don't know. So it comes with a little cloth thing here. Here's our little box. And there is our treat. It looks like it's a pharmaceutical product. I honestly don't think it is. I think it almost looks like rock candy. It's really sweet. It kind of reminds me, a while back they had these, like for Easter, they had these things called like jellybird eggs or hummingbird eggs. And they were like jelly beans, but they were hard as a rock, and they were really tiny. They were like exactly this size. So, yeah, if you've had those, this is like that. And it's kind of got a little perfumey, fruity kind of taste to it. Not bad. All right, so in the November 2022 Zenpop box, you get harasame, ippichan, miso, shoyu tonkatsu, udon, curry, a bonus item I already enjoyed, and your info card. All right, well, thank you very much to the kind folks over at zenpop.jp for sending this over. I'm looking forward to trying all the varieties inside. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.
Thank you.